Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate it. So, created this video in reference to OBS Studio. A weird problem that I'm seeing a lot of people having, and I actually experienced myself, was trying to get a browser source to display in videos, like in an overlay. Getting it to display as a window so it's not, when you do display capture, it looks all fucked up. You all know what I'm talking about. The never-ending tunnel of shit. But yeah, so basically getting it to display cleanly so it doesn't look like shit like that. There is a way to do it. As many of you know, I'm sure you get the black screen of death. As you can see, I have right here. I'm trying to choose my Google Chrome window, and for some reason it's black. But so I looked into this to provide a solution for you all. So if that's what you were looking for, you are in the right place. So I'm going to show you that right now. So what you're going to do, this is for Google Chrome, by the way. I'm sorry if you use a different browser. This is for Chrome. I might be able to find out solutions for other browsers later, but for now, this is Chrome. So what you need to do is go to your settings. All you need to do is right click the three little dots in the upper right, hit settings, scroll all the way down, go to advanced, scroll all the way down again, and under system there will be use hardware acceleration when available. And when you click on that to turn it on, it'll say relaunch, and magically, boom, look, it's showing. Now I'll show that again. Obviously you all could not see what the hell I was talking about, so here we go. Let me even make that a little bit bigger for y'all. So you're in Google, right? Here, let's just open up a new tab. You're gonna click three dots in the upper right, click settings. You're under your settings, scroll all the way down, advanced, open that up, scroll all the way down again. And right here under system, you will see use hardware acceleration when available. It's automatically on. For some reason, that's what blocks it, but when you turn it off, it works. I'm gonna turn it back on, and it'll have you relaunch. And look, the black square is shit again. So that's all it is. Hope that was a quick solution for you guys. If that was a quick fix, please consider smashing that subscribe button right here. I really appreciate it. Every subscriber goes a long way with me, guys. Go ahead, join the channel. I share useful tips like this very often. If it was a quick fix, please smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you here. We'll see you later. See ya, buddy.